Tara guys, maglinis na naman tayo dito. Pagtanggal ng weeds sa trees. This one, I put the
I think you're out of the line of the camera, sweetie. I think you're out of the line of the camera.
where's my small?
Right.
Huh?
On the other side, I think, right there. See?
Oh, yes. Hello everyone! Andito na naman kami sa aming garden. Continuous pa si Kano mag-trim ng weeds. Pag na trim na yan lahat, i-rototiller na naman namin guys. At saka taniman ng mais, corn. Gusto ni Kano i-trim muna yung weeds para pag nag-rototiller, ang bilis lang. Ayan. malawak na yung nagawa ni Kano guys. So, ayan. Tuwing hapon lang kami napunta dito. Ayan. Pag naputol na lahat, ready na i-rototeller. Ayan. Ako andun sa kabila, nagtatanggal ng weeds at saka gumagawa ng additional row para sa vegetables guys. At mamaya magtatanim naman ako ng potatoes. Ayan. Andyan sa kabila guys, bakante pa yan. Bakante pa at saka doon pa din, bakante pa din. Thank you for watching.
Hello, everyone. Getting ready to plant some potatoes. And she is setting them where she's going to put them. That way they got a little space. They will get fairly big. So, yep. This is the first row of potatoes. They're the yellow potatoes. And then we'll plant some red and some russets. So maybe 3 rows. Very nice. The cauliflower is doing good. The broccoli's doing good. And the cabbage is doing good. Everything is doing good. All right. Thank you for everything. Thank you for watching and subscribing and everything. God bless each and every one of you. Thank you. Bye.
Oh my. Si Kano na naman ang mag-cover ng yellow potatoes. Ganyan daw magtanim. Ayan. Cover, cover. Cover lang siya guys. Ganyan. Pag nagtanim ng potatoes. Ayan. Tapos, tutubo lang din siya.
Oh, wow. How come you cut these ones in half?
Lokong David. Siya naman ang nag-cut niyan. Pwede siya ikat guys, basta may tubo na. Tapos itanim. Yan. Ganyan lang siya.
Okay, your turn.
Okay. Thank you, my love.
You're welcome.
Yan, ako na daw tapos magtanim guys. At masakit na ang kanyang baywang.
I had to let her take over. My back just don't like that stuff no more. Besides, they grow better for her. Yep. In a few days, the plants will be popping out of the ground and be pretty green. Thank you very much. God bless each and every one of you. Bye-bye, guys.
Hello guys. Ayan, si Kano. Nagtitilig ng halaman. Ayan. Yan na yung aming natapos na naitanim guys. Yan. Yan na yung mga naitanim na vegetables. Yan, strawberries, garlic, onions, tsaka different kinds of vegetables leaves. Yan. Yan, si Kano. Hello, my love. Ayan. Happy na ang vegetables at saka strawberries. Happy na sila. Ayan. Yung last na naitanim ko ngayon ay potatoes white. Ayan, sa dobro guys. Last week yung potato na yellow, and yung kadugtong ay white. Susunod na naman color violet. Ayan naman. Ito naman ay ayan yung tinanim ko na peas. Yan, ready na sila mag-climb sa screen. Saka, mayroon din dito tumubo na beans. Yan, may beans na tumubo. Hindi lahat tumubo. Yan, guys. Yan, happy na yung garden. At nadiligan na sila. Yan na naman yung emerald green. wala ng weeds. Hindi pa namin natapos linis. Andun pa sa dulo. Busy pa ang linya. Thank you guys for watching. Okay.
Yes, this is cantaloupe. So we're gonna plant some of this. And then watermelon as well. Somebody didn't put much work in it. See that? Oops. Alright, then we'll put a little bit more water. Okay, see how there's a little bit of a dip in there? That will hold the water. See? There we go. Here's number one. You're gonna make me do all of them? Okay.
Yeah.
I see. I see. There we go. Here's the beeps. Okay. My sweet wife didn't like the way I was doing it, so she took over. I'm kidding you. Yes, yes, yes. And then back it down around it. Good, good, good. A little bit, yep. Okay. Yes. Yeah, 6 of these is cantaloupe, and we have one watermelon that we're going to plant today, and probably wait till tomorrow maybe to plant the rest of them. That's the bad part about just using a little bit of dirt. There you go. Okay, back it down pretty good. All right, now give it some more water. Too big, a little bit more too big. Okay, very good. Oh, that's a nice looking one. Put your fingers like this, so it'll rub through your fingers whenever you push it out. There you go. There you go. That's got a nice root system on it. At least it's not a very hot day. It's got a cool breeze going on for us, so that's nice. But it's blowing the phone around.
Watermelon.
Yep, here's the watermelon. One of them. Oh my. Yes, yes. Very good.
Yes, tomorrow again. Thank you so much, guys.
Yes, thank you all. God bless.